H&N Craft. Hello guys, welcome back to H&N Craft. In this video I will tell you how to make this super cool paper transformer. You can also make it with any newspaper or any recycling paper. So let's move on to how to make it.
Why am I looking at you? You're a picture in a frame. I make believe you're next to me, but I know it's not the same. Why am I looking at you? You're a pixel on a screen. Your animating principle is nowhere to be seen. Why am I lost in a loveless fantasy when somebody real is waiting out there for me? Why am I looking at you? I've enjoyed the years I've wasted, but the time has come to face the fact that none of what I see is true. So I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh, I'm gonna stop looking at you. Oh.
Okay guys, our craft is ready. Now I'll tell you how to play with it. You have to curve it like this, then this, and then this. Wow, it's super cool. If you like this video, so don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment this video. Bye bye.